the kid and a pig. Try these new words. Kid, lid, slid, big, pig, hit, sat, and the kid, the pig, the lid, the kid and the pig. The kid and the pig sat in the lid. The kid and the pig hid in the lid. The lid slid and slid. The kid and the pig hit a big hill. Extra words. Did, dig, fig, jig, rig. Comprehension. Number 1. What are the animals in this story? Number 2. How many animals are there? Number 3. Where did they hide? Number 4. What did the lid do? Number 5. What did the lid hit? Complete the sentences with these words. Kid, pig, lid, slid. A, and a, the, slid and. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.